Hi everyone, welcome. It's day one of how to turn one content into 27 posts. How excited are you to get started? So hopefully you're all prepared. You received the email yesterday and you now know what you're letting yourself in for. So I want you today for your first challenge. If you have a content piece already in mind, you should already have had all the kind of criteria of what that content piece needs to have, right? If you have something in mind, you're still going to have some work to do. It's not going to be as simple as just using that for day one. So I'm going to speak to you guys first. If you have a piece, a blog post that you've already created, make sure you go through the checklist, that it has all the essentials. I'm not going to go through it now, but make sure that you highlight it and it covers all the areas. If it doesn't, please add it into it because it's needed for the next 7 days. And then what I want you to do, this is where it's going to get interesting. If you've got a blog, I would love, if you're comfortable to do it, to open up a video, whether it's on your phone or you've got your own video, and I would like you to record you delivering it live on video. Sorry, exclude the live because it might panic you, but just to do it on video, talking to the camera, and it's for practice for something that we're going to do later on in the week. So if you've got your blog post, it doesn't have to be the whole entire blog post if it's too long, but it can be an element of it, and I would love for you to do a 5 to 10 minute video delivering your blog post and delivering the takeaways or the actionable steps on video so that you have a post that you can use for your social media, you can use for your website. So your masterpiece, if you've already got a repurposed one, this is extra and I want you to do a video version of your masterpiece. For those that don't have a content, you're going to create your content today. You were sent a tutorial about a week plus ago on what you need to do to create a content masterpiece. So you should have something already in mind. You should already have the title. You should hopefully have an intro that's going to captivate, and you should have the step-by-step focuses or solutions that you can provide your clients. So what I want you to do today is to actually create your blog post. You've already got the outline, so you shouldn't be panicked. And there's two ways you can do this. If you're not a writer and it's just not your cup of tea, similar to what I said to the first group, go and open up a video and record your blog post. You might feel more confident into just talking to a camera than actually writing, and I want you to literally talk about what you're going to do, your solution, your intro, setting the scene, the characters, the conflict, the solution, which are going to be your steps. So I want you to create a content blog post, audio, video, podcast, whatever you want to call it. I want you to do it and record it so that you have it ready for the rest of the week. So as a reminder, your masterpiece content needs to have takeaways, step-by-step action on what your clients can take to help with the solution, to help with the challenges that they were facing. It needs to motivate, it needs to inspire, and it also needs to be able to connect with them. So I know it sounds overwhelming, but if you're doing a blog post on how to relieve stress whilst working in the financial industry, you might start off saying, I remember the day when I didn't want to go back to work and I just wanted to stay in bed. It was so difficult. I didn't know where else to turn. It might start like that. By the end of it, I've left my job and now working for myself. I'm so happy. I wake up early. I go to bed late because I love doing what I do. This is how I did it. Ideas like that. So it doesn't have to be long. Talking about maybe your own experiences, things that you've done in the past, but again, it has to connect to what you offer for your customers. But talking from the heart, telling a story is a great blog post idea. So please don't feel overwhelmed. You can just literally record it on your own mobile phone or do it on your laptop. Just record it. After you've recorded it, I want you to then transcribe it so that you have some kind of text form that you can either use as highlight, or what you might do is actually have jotted down an outline of what you want to record. So again, that could be used for the rest of the week. But I want you to record or write something today to be your masterpiece that you're going to be able to highlight and take bits from. I hope that makes sense. Have fun with day one. Day one's the most exciting part. Because you're creating something that's going to be amazing. It's going to speak to your audience, connects to your products or services, and educates them. So have fun with day one, and I'll see you on day two. Take care. Bye.